Hi everyone, I hope you all will be fit and fine. Today my topic is related to body pain. As we all know that pain is an unpleasant sensation in the body that is triggered by the nervous system. The onset of body pain can occur suddenly or slowly depending on many factors like environmental, biological or emotional. Each individual is the best judge of the severity and frequency of his or her body pain. There are generally two types of body pain, acute pain and chronic pain. Acute pain generally results from an illness or event such as injury or surgery. It generally occurs suddenly but diminishes or stops on its own or with medical treatment. Acute pain can range from mild to severe and may last for weeks or months. If it is treated properly, acute pain will subside within 6 months, but if it is left untreated, acute pain may lead to chronic pain. While chronic pain is pain that persists over time and may have no apparent cause. Even after an injury has healed or an illness has subsided, chronic pain can persist for weeks or even years. Sufferers of chronic pain may find it debilitating, resulting in loss of sleep and inability to function normally. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, back pain is second only to headache as the most common medical complaint in the United States and is second leading cause of missed workdays. Each year, 80% of adults below age 50 experience back pain at least once, and the majority will have multiple occurrences. Back injury is the number one occupational hazard in the United States. In addition to causing acute pain, some of these things can also cause more serious back injuries that require medical attention. Causes include ligament or muscle strains, and they can occur due to poor posture, poor medical condition, using muscle, ligaments, or joints for activities for which they are not conditioned, excessive or improper lifting, sudden awkward movements like lifting or twisting too quickly, overly strenuous physical activities, degeneration of the spine, which often occurs with aging, can contribute to lower back pain and may often lead to more serious conditions such as spinal stenosis. If you think you may be suffering from more severe pain, talk to your doctor. Body and back pain may be reduced or prevented by eating a proper diet, managing weight, and increasing muscle flexibility and strength through exercise and physical conditioning. Even low impact physical activities such as walking or swimming may help prevent body pain by increasing strength, flexibility, and endurance. If you want to promote your body health and prevent body pain, then you should maintain good posture when sitting and standing. You should use your legs to lift heavy objects. If you want to carry heavy objects close to your body and turn with your legs and not to waist to change direction. Maintain a healthy body weight. Excess weight can tax the body's muscles, especially the back muscles. Sleep on your side with bent knees. Consult your doctor about how firm your mattress should be. Acute pain or body pain usually stops on its own or with body pain treatment. As far as home remedy is concerned, you just have to take 1.5 cup of mustard oil, put it in a pan and heat it. Take 15 garlic cloves, peel them and cut them in between. Now when bubbles start coming out of mustard oil, you have to add these garlic cloves in it, mix it. When these garlic cloves start turning black, strain the mixture and preserve this oil in a glass container. Apply this oil on affected area like shoulders, joints, kneecaps, or even you can apply it on your back, but you have to massage it in downward direction on your back and make sure that after applying this oil, you have to cover the affected area for a while. Mustard oil with garlic is a fantastic massage therapy essential oil. It can provide a decrease for joint disease discomfort, back pain, lower leg discomfort, and joints discomfort. For muscle tissue discomfort and other discomfort, mustard essential oil should be applied and rubbed. Mustard essential oil encourages blood flow and mitigates the pain on muscles and important joints. Once you use this massage therapy essential oil to pores and skin, surface of the pores and skin gets a much better blood motion that contributes to recovery. People who endure from joint disease could be very benefited from the use of mustard essential oil with garlic. For discomfort in the joints and knees, mustard oil needs to become amply utilized and massaged. This would bring down the discomfort. Elderly individuals who endure from muscle tissue discomfort and combined discomfort can use this mustard oil with garlic remedy. As garlic is rich in both sulfur and selenium, both of which can help to relieve joint and muscle pain, the sulfur in garlic helps to relieve inflammation, while selenium has an anti-rheumatic effect. This can be helpful for those with arthritis who tend to have low levels of selenium in the blood. Of course, if you are experiencing pain on regular basis, you should apply this massage oil and you will see the difference afterwards. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.